Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're unable to change diagnostic data to full on your Windows 10 computer. So you have different options underneath diagnostics and feedback, which will allow you to choose how much diagnostic data you want to send to Microsoft. Diagnostic data is used to help keep Windows secure and up to date, troubleshoot problems, and make product improvements. Regardless of which option you select, your device will be equally secure and will operate normally. So if you're unable to choose between basic, which is send only information about your device, its settings and capabilities, and whether it's performing properly, or full, which will send all that information plus additional information about your device health, device activity, and enhanced error reporting. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the start menu, type in services. Best result should come back with services listed right above app. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Go ahead and locate the connected user experiences and telemetry entry. Go ahead and double click on it. You want to set startup type to automatic, and if service status is stopped, you want to go select the start button. Select apply and OK. You also want to go down to device management wireless application protocol. Again, startup type, you want to set this to automatic, and then if service status is stopped, select the start option, and then select apply and OK. And you also want to go down to the Windows Insider service. Double click on it. You want to start the service here. And see if that resolves the problem. So then select OK. You may also want to set this to automatic too, so just set it to automatic. You don't have to, but we're just going to set it to automatic here, and then apply and OK. Close out of here. Open up the start menu. Select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the privacy tile. And then select diagnostics and feedback on the left panel here. And you want to go ahead and scroll down underneath improve inking and typing, as well as tailored experiences. You might want to turn both of these options to the on position if you're able to. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to do that. Would suggest restarting your computer once that's done, and that should hopefully be able to resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.